is one more evening given by God to play and win. Today, the students of 9th A are going to enjoy the classroom activity, which is based on our beautiful lesson in our course book of English. Friends, we all know Jnana Rachana Award, that is learning by doing, which is very helpful in order to enrich the skills of students. Being an English teacher, I always inspire my students to do the best. So let's enjoy today's activity from the bottom of our heart.
Friends, my name is Janhavi Dattatreya Kalambekar from 9th A. I would like to share the information about the story of tea in brief. In our India, most of people start their day with refreshing drink which is tea. Bifocal name of tea is Camellia sinensis. Tea plants require 100 to 125 cm rain for a year. Tea plant grow on hill slopes, elevations up to 1500 meters. When the plants mature, only the top 1 to 2 inches of plant peak. We can classify them according to their tea in leaf size. We can get largest leaves in Assam, smallest leaves in China, intermediate leaf and Cambodia and many more. India have distinct and different tea regions. From each region we get unique taste, aroma and flavor. Most of people of world that agree their tea is refreshing drink and energetic drink. So friend, eat healthy, drink healthy and be healthy. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Anushka Nomnath Saban from 9th A. Friends, as you know that health is wealth. The greatest wealth is our health. A healthy person can earn great health, but a wealthy person cannot earn great health. We live in a fast moving world where individuals have no time for themselves. Recent studies have shown that the increased stress of the present speedy life is leading to various medical conditions. Major among those are heart and neurological problems. A healthy lifestyle assists an individual to keep a positive attitude towards work and life in general. People eat junk food and other unhealthy food items only for taste. They don't have a time to nourish their body with the required diet. A healthy lifestyle reduces stress and promotes healthy life without the suffering. A healthy and balanced diet maintain or improve overall health. We should consume a balanced diet consisting of essential proteins, nutrients, vitamins, fatty acids, calories, etc. We must eat fresh fruits, green leafy vegetables, salad, milk, egg, yogurt, etc. on time to maintain our health. A healthy body also needs some daily physical activities, proper rest, sleep, neatness, a healthy environment, fresh air and water. We should drink more water, at least 7 to 8 glasses of water. It balances blood pressure and supplies vital nutrition exceptionally quickly to the body. Wealth matters but is not as important as a health. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Raksha Naresh Matre. I am in 9th class and we have a lesson, the story of tea in our book. Based upon that lesson, we are going to demonstrate tea making activity under the guidance of respected Sri Sandeep Mane sir. So I will be presenting a self-made poem based on this activity. The title of my poem is Chaha. प्रेमाचा आणि आपुलकीचा स्वाद मिळतो, प्रेमाचा आणि आपुलकीचा स्वाद मिळतो, एक घोट घेता थकवा दूर होतो, एक घोट घेता थकवा दूर होतो. अगदी खेड्यापाड्यांमध्ये सकाळ असो वा संध्याकाळ नेहमी पिला जातो, अगदीच खेड्यापाड्यांमध्ये सकाळ असो वा संध्याकाळ नेहमी. जगात प्रत्येक ठिकाणी ग्रीन टी, हर्बल टी, लेमन टी, आईस टी अशा अनेक प्रकारात मिळतो. असा हा अमृततुल्य चहा आज आम्ही मुलुंड विद्यामंदिरी 9वी अ मध्ये बनवितो. असा हा अमृततुल्य चहा आज आम्ही मुलुंड विद्यामंदिरी 9वी अ मध्ये बनवितो. धन्यवाद. Thank you.
I am Manasvi Kohli from 9th A. I have composed a beautiful poem about a tea. If you are cold, tea will warm you. If you are too heated, it will cool you. If you are depressed, it will cheer you. If you are excited, it will calm you. Thank you.
Hello my dear friends. We are presenting normal tea. The process of normal tea. First take a water in a vessel and keep for boiled. After few minutes the boiled water, add some tea powder and sugar in the boiled water. After some time add ginger and elaichi and keep for the boiling. After some time boiled, the tea was ready to drink. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Atharva Santosh Dhawan from 9th A.
Being a group leader of Lemon Tea Group, I would like to introduce my friends. This is Ayush, Durvesh, Om, Aditya, Akash. Today we are going to make lemon tea. The procedure of making tea is: first, heat the water in a vessel. Once the water comes to a boil, simmer the heat. Add tea leaves, tulsi leaves and ginger and let them steep for a minute. Ginger helps to improve digestion and tulsi relieves from cough and respiratory problems. Strain the tea in serving cups. Add honey and lemon juice and stir well. Drink immediately. Honey helps to boost immunity and lemon helps to balance blood pH and also maintain energy. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I am Amaresh. I am studying in 9th. Prashant, Jayesh, Jignesh, Drone. These are my group members in this activity. My group name is Iced Tea. Today we are showing you the process of making iced tea. Ingredients: ice cubes, tea powder, lemon, sugar, honey and pudina. Process: take a water in vessel and boil the water for 5 minutes. Put the tea powder in boiled water. Then this tea should be cool for a few minutes. And put the ice cubes, lemon, mint in that tea and sugar or honey and mix that well and enjoy the iced tea. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Manasvi Kohli from 9th A, beginning group leader of green tea. I would like to introduce my friends Sharyu, Prachi, Shravani and Tejal. Today I will show you the how to make a green tea. Ingredients: vessel, boiled water, green tea bags and cups. Process: boil a kettle, then let the water cool for a couple of minutes. Pour it lovingly over the Lipton green tea bags. Infuse for the 2 minutes to retain all lovely nutrients and keep your tea is a vibrant green color any longer and your tea is lovely taste and bitter. Thank you.
My name is Tejal Tukaram Hinde. I am from 9th A class. Today we are going importance of green tea. People use green tea in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine to control bleeding and heal wounds, aid digestion, improve heart and mental health, and regulate body temperature. Studies suggest green tea have positive effect on weight loss, liver disorder types, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and more. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Prachi Mahadev Mahajam. Today I will telling you how green tea is good for student. Like a matcha green tea, a content a potent of combo both caffeine and theanine. It good for study. Add that can help to boost your brain power and induces the focus and claim. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Anushka Navnath Saban from 9th A and our team name is Herbal Tea. I want to introduce my group members. She is Riya, she is Janvi and she is Raksha. Now we start to make a tea.
And add some water. Wait for some time boiling the water. Now add to tea powder and sugar and also add this mixture. This mixture is made up by ginger, elaichi, tulsi leaves, in other some spices. Let boil for some time. Now add in milk in it. Again wait for some time. Now serve to into cup and enjoy. Thank you.
He is not only a teacher, but he is a treasure of knowledge. हा ज्ञानाचा खजिना आमच्या मुंबईमध्ये आहे. आय थिंक व्हेरी प्राऊड सर. त्याला प्रत्येक क्षेत्राचं ज्ञान आहे. त्यांनी स्वतःला अपडेट केलेलं आहे. ही स्कोर्ड 77 मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश. म्हणून लक्षात ठेवा, काही मुलं घाबरतात. The worst enemy of mankind is fear. Only those who conquer fear succeed in life. त्या भीतीमध्ये मात करा बाळांनो. आज जगामध्ये इंग्रजी सोबत फ्रेंच, जर्मन भाषा देखील आपण शिकली पाहिजे. You have many opportunities in the coming future. If you want to write your future, you should go not only through the text, but also you have to adapt the knowledge, because knowledge is the key of success. हे तंत्र लक्षात ठेवा. स्वतःची विकनेस काय आहे, स्वतःचे स्ट्रॉंग पॉइंट काय आहे, ते आपण जगाला ओळखू शकतो. आणि मित्रांनो, जगामध्ये तुम्हीच तुम्हाला जिंकून देऊ शकता आणि तुम्हीच तुम्हाला पराभूत करू शकता. म्हणून विद्यामध्ये मुंबई उपनगरामध्ये one of the best schools आहे त्याचं कारण हे आहे. आपले सर्व शिक्षक. I request my colleague, the English teacher of secondary section, Mrs. Prachi Tehelkar ma'am. I request ma'am Sir, please, and to the vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
आमच्या शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापिका पवार मॅडम ज्या नेहमीच आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देतात, मार्गदर्शन करतात, मॅडमचे मी मनापासून आभार मानते. आणि आजचे प्रमुख अतिथी त्यांनी आता ज्ञानरचना वाचून असं त्या बाजूने गाडी सुंदर शब्दात सांगितलं. सर तुम्ही आला माझं कौतुक केलं, मी तुमचे मनापासून आभार मानते. I thank Madam all my students because they have seen from one day, sir, their eagerness, their enthusiasm, great. And so, thank you my dear student, and I wish you all the best for your bright future. आणि अर्थातच हे सगळं श्रेय माझे कलिग माने सर यांना जाते.